Hey little chefs! Welcome back to Rain and Shine. Today, we are going to make something super yummy, healthy, a fruit and yogurt parfait. And guess what? No cooking or baking needed. This is a perfect, healthy and delicious breakfast. Ready to start? Let's go. Here's what we need to make our delicious parfait. A cup of yogurt. Any of your favorite fruits like bananas, strawberries, or blueberries. Some crunchy granola or cereal. And a drizzle of honey if you like it a little sweet. Let's start with our yogurt. Take a spoon and add a few spoonfuls of yogurt into a cup or a bowl. Doesn't it look creamy? Now it's time for the fruit. Pick your favorite fruits. I'm using chopped bananas and strawberries. Sprinkle them on top of the yogurt. Look how colorful it is. Next, add some crunchy granola or cereal. Just sprinkle it over the fruit. You can even add more layers if you like. Yogurt, then fruit, then granola again. It's like building a yummy tower. Want to make it a little sweeter? Drizzle some honey on top, but just a little bit. And you're done. Look at this beautiful, healthy parfait that you made all by yourself. Creamy, crunchy, fruity, and so delicious. This is the perfect way to start your day with a healthy and yummy breakfast. Thanks for making this tasty fruit and yogurt parfait with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rain and Shine for more fun and delicious recipes. See you next time, little chefs. Bye-bye.